Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. You are staying at your homes and you are healthy. So, congratulations to all of you for passing class 7 and promoted to class 8. This year, I shall be taking both your English 1 and English 2. But for now, we will study only English 2. I know many of you are not happy that you are not able to go to school. You all have to study through mobiles at your home. But then it's important right now to be healthy, to be safe. So it's better to be at home. But along with that, it's also important that we continue with our studies. We cannot stop that, isn't it? So right now, I'll begin with English 2. I know many of you don't have your books, but then don't worry. I'm always there at your help. Whatever classes I take over here, just listen to them carefully, note them down in your copies, and later on, when you have your doubts, mark them, and once school opens, I shall help you. And it's not only me, all your teachers will help you out with all your doubts after school opens. But till then, don't stop your studies. Whatever videos are being provided, listen to them. Whatever works are being provided to you by your teachers, listen to them and do them properly. Now today I will begin with a chapter called Determiners. Now those of you who have your books, you will see that this determiner chapter is not there in your book. You have a related chapter called Articles. But determiners is something which is required in class 9 and 10, and articles is a kind of determiners. There are other kinds of determiners also, and therefore because it is important for you in 9 and 10, so I should start with determiners in total. Now whatever I explain, because you don't have this chapter in your book, whatever I explain, it's important that you note them down in your copies. So now I shall begin with what determiners are. So firstly, determiner word is taken from the word determine, which tells you which is the particular thing you are talking about. When you are determined about something, you are sure about something. So when you say a determiner, it tells us particularly, it gives us an assurance about which noun we are talking about. So if you say a definition of determiners, then we can say determiners are words which introduces the noun in the sentence. Now basically nouns and pronouns are the subjects of the sentences, or they are the topics on which we generally talk, either a noun or a pronoun. And this determiner, what it does is, it points out which noun are we talking about. So say for example, if I say, this house is very big. Now you all know, what am I talking about in this sentence? It is house. Now, by using the word this, what am I doing? I'm pointing out which house am I talking about. This means I'm pointing about a house which is close to me. So it's telling us the distance of the house. So this is determining the distance of the house. It is also telling us how many houses are there, because this is used for singular noun. So see, determiners are words which tell you about the noun. So if you want to write the definition of determiner, you will write determiners are words which gives us an introduction of the noun. Is it clear? So I think you all have understood, and if you have any doubts, we will talk about it in details once more in our school. But once more I'll try to explain you. Say for example, if I say one boy is running on the road, or I say a boy is running on the road. So I'm talking about the boy. Boy is the noun. Now by using a boy or by using one boy, what am I doing? I'm determining the number of boys. I'm determining which boy am I talking about. So it is telling us about the number of boys. It's one boy, it's a boy. Both of them are telling us it's single, isn't it? So that is what a determiner does. Now I'll ask you all to take your copy and pen, and I'll give you certain things to write which you need to write now. Now, I have given you kinds of determiners. So, I have written only 4 kinds today. Later we will do the other kinds also. So, the first kind of determiner that I have written is definite and indefinite articles, which are a, an and the. I have just written definite and indefinite articles. After that, a, an and the. After which a and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. I will talk in details about each kind in my coming classes. Next, you have demonstrative determiners, D-E-M-O-N-S-T-R-A-T-I-V-E-S. Demonstratives, which are this, that, these and those. So, these are the 4 kinds of demonstrative determiners which also tell us about the nouns. Next, you have possessives. So, mine, your, his, her, its, our, their. I'll repeat. Mine, your, his, her, its, our, their. And then the 4th one that I have written is quantifiers. Q-U-A-N-T-I-F-I-E-R-S. Quantifiers, which are a few, a little, much, many, any, some, etc. So, I have written only 4 kinds of determiners. I am not going to start explaining these determiners today. That we will do in our coming classes. There are more determiners to write about that we will do in our next class. But till then, study this much, whatever I have given today, and in my next class, I'll continue with the other kinds of determiners, and one by one, I'll explain you the determiners, what kind of determiners, where to use them. We will do that in our coming classes. So for today, it's a bye and thank you. Have a nice day.